Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to be learning some new math. So what I want you to do is get out your math notebooks and you are going to turn to the very first blank page you see, guys. So guys, today we are going to be learning some new math vocabulary words. So guys, you need this page and this page out of your folders today, guys. And you will need a glue stick and a pair of scissors. All right, guys, so we're going to use this page first. And I want you to take your glue stick, like I have mine here, and we are going to glue this page to our notebook. So, guys, this is our definition page. So go ahead and put some glue on the back. And glue it where I have mine glued. Guys, I'm going to flip it to the front. I'm going to glue it right here on my notebook. Go ahead and glue yours down. All right, guys, so now I want you to get out your scissors, and you will need this page. We're going to cut our standard off first. And, guys, remember our standard tells us what we're learning in math. So, guys, go ahead and cut out your standard. Now, I'm going to trim the edges around mine just a little bit. So I'm going to cut around the dotted lines. All right, guys, I'm going to glue it to the top. So, guys, the standard we are learning today says I can count to 120 starting at any number. I can read and write numerals. So, guys, we're going to be learning about counting to 20 and reading and writing numerals, which are the same as numbers. So, let's go ahead and glue our standard down at the top of our page. So, go ahead and put some glue on the back there and glue that down at the top. All right, guys. And the last thing that you need is your words. So, guys, before we glue down the words, I want you to take your scissors and you're going to cut the line right here. So this is going to flip up. This is going to be a little graphic organizer for our vocabulary words. So go ahead and cut that right here down this line. So that it looks like mine, guys. So mine goes like this. All right, guys. So now I want you to put glue on the back of this right here. And we are going to glue it so that when we flip up our words, we can read our definitions. So go ahead, guys, and put glue on the back right there where we have our vocabulary words. I'm going to flip it around. We're going to glue it right there. You can go ahead and put your scissors and your glue sticks away. Awesome job so far, guys. All right, boys and girls. Now, I want you to put your finger under the first word. So put your finger under that first word right here, guys. And we're going to talk about our definitions together, okay? So finger under the first word. My turn. Count. Your turn. Count. Flip it open. All right, guys, my turn. Find the number of objects. Say numbers in the correct order. Your turn. Find the number of objects. Say numbers in the correct order. So, guys, if I have a couple of circles and I want to know how many circles that I have, I'm going to count them, okay? So, as I count my objects, I'm going to say the numbers in the correct order. So, guys, go ahead and draw some circles for me. And we are going to write the numbers underneath them. So, I would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, I'm counting my objects. I'm saying my numbers in the correct order, and I'm saying a number for every object that I'm counting. So, guys, this is what counting is, okay? All right, guys, put your finger on the second word. My turn. Hundreds chart. Your turn. Hundreds chart. Good job. Go ahead and flip it open. My turn. A chart showing rows of numbers. Your turn. A chart showing rows of numbers. So guys, I'm not gonna make you make a hundreds chart right now, but we're gonna draw what that picture would look like. I know you all have seen hundreds charts before, maybe when you did ST math or when you've done math in class, you may have used a hundreds chart to add and subtract numbers, which is what a hundreds chart helps us do. So guys, a hundreds chart might look like this. I'm going to make 9 lines that go down, guys, and 9 that go across. All right, so I drew 9 lines coming down. I'm going to draw 9 lines that go across. That's actually going to give us 100 squares inside this chart. We won't put all the numbers inside the chart. Hundreds charts do have all the numbers in it, but since we're just drawing the picture to show us a visual of what a hundreds chart is, I won't make you do that. All right, guys, so a hundreds chart looks like this, and you'll have numbers 1 through 100 down at here at the end. There's 100 blocks in here, so if you want to put a couple numbers, okay, so if you actually wrote in all of the numbers, we would go all the way to 100. So here's 100, 99, 98, 97, 96. You can put in however many numbers that you want to, guys, but remember a hundreds chart, it starts at number 1 and it counts all the way to number 100. So if I went to this line, I would have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, then it would go 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So it keeps going until you get to the number 100. So that's a hundreds chart. All right, guys, and let's look at our last word. Our last word is numeral. What's the word? Numeral. That's right. Go ahead and flip it open. A numeral is a number. What is it? It's a number. That's right, guys. So you can write any number down here. A numeral is a number. So it could be 1, 2. It could be a 0. It could be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it can be any number, guys. A numeral is a number. All right, guys, when you finish writing this, you are finished. Awesome job today, guys. So now what I want you to do, go ahead and close your math notebook, and I want you to go on to ST Math. Awesome job, guys.